Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope you're doing great out there. If you're new here, please make sure to hit subscribe down below. Make the red little button turn gray and turn the bell on. That would really help me out. Today I have a beautiful set of gel polishes from Modelones. They kindly sent me the number 3 of their fashion nail colors. These are those mini bottles. The 6 milliliter mini bottles. It has 16 colors plus a base and the shiny top coat. And I'm going to get these all out for you real quick. And I'm going to do something a little different than I've done before. I'm going to swatch most of them on my fingers. Since there's 16 colors, I only have 10 fingers. I'm going to have to do a few on other things. And then I believe, from what looking online, that there's 2 that we call toppers. They're glitters that are clear based or real light color based. So if that's the case, I'm going to get those out and swatch them on clear swatch sticks, and I will do 10 colors on my nails and some on other nails, and then I'll do the topper, the clear glitter ones on top of those, and I'll use their top coat, and I'll take pictures of my nails with the glitter and without the glitter and post it at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. Okay, in this set there appear to be 2 colors that are copies of another set that I've already shown. Cream and Exotic Birds, but I'll show them again, and I'll show you. I just used a little bit in a design. I'll put that on the screen above. This is Cream. It's a wonderful white color. Then I'm going to go with Exotic Birds. Brilliant yellow color. So far I found that all of these are really pretty true to the color that's shown on the little brush. What you see is what you get. It's a beautiful yellow. This is one of the colors I did. Since I only have 10 fingers, I had to decide 2 that I wasn't going to wear. Pretty in Pearl. It does have like a little metallic-y look to the bottle, little pearly look. Let's see. Ooh, it does have a little pearly sheen to it. And another color is light gray. I know I have a few gray lovers out there. Okay, now for the 2 toppers that I want you to see what they look like without anything underneath them. So I'm going to do them onto a clear stick. This is Elsa's Tear. And I'm excited to see. Oh, this is like, oh, it's like angel papers cut up, hollow, with like a light blue, I think, background to it. You can see it in the bottle down there. I'm going to just pop it on the back of the swatch stick so I don't have to waste any top coat. This top coat is very, very, I'm in need of top coat so much. It's very, I just want to get a couple of the goodies on there. Oh, it goes on pretty easily so far. See what it looks like over white, just 1 layer. Oh, I'm gonna do 2 layers on the swatch stick, 1 layer on my nails, I believe. The second one is Angel's Wings. Excited to see what that one is. Ooh, it's like a clear version of that. Ooh, these are gorgeous. Good work, Modelones. I've always wanted them to include some typical toppers in their collections. I've begged a lot of companies to include at least 1 or 2 toppers in their collections, and this one actually seemed to do it really well. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, that'll work over any color since it's see-through. Look at that. You see it if it was on my nail. It would just be a clear but hollow and, what do you call that? The sheer mermaid look. Oh, so let me give these a cure. Okay, before I continue swatching the solid colors out on my nails, I wanted to show you what the 2 swatch sticks of Elsa's Tear and Angel Wings looks like. This is what they would look like on my nails by themselves. If I can get it lined up. I don't want to touch because I have base coat on. Look at that. That's just gorgeous. They'd make some excellent ice nails this winter. or any time. I'm gonna put these on after I put all the solid colors on my nails. I'll take a picture and then I'll put the top coat or these little gorgeous glitter toppers on and take another picture and let you compare. So on with the colors. I picked out 5 for each hand. Let's just go in there with it and see what I get. This is Denim Patch. I have longer nails. I keep forgetting I need to put the color on the end first to avoid any draggy lines. So many of you know, many of you don't know that I've had 2 birds for almost 11 years. And they've always been filming with me in here, and that recently I lost my little boy. Well, we couldn't handle just having one. She was so lonely, and she wasn't happy with being a solo bird, and probably, you know, I mean, it was her mate too. So Dreamy Summer. So we went and took her to get a little treat find a little treat, have her pick out some food, and we actually ended up adopting another little boy. So that's why my videos have only been 1 a week. I've been concentrating on him. Usually he's been right here on my shoulder every single video or on my chest. So it's been extra hard. He can't fly yet, so my girl's flying around me right now. And my little boy's wanting to fly. So it's really, really hard to do your nails when that's going on. And then birds are creatures of habit, much like myself. They don't like change. So when I first colored my nails, I had to take off the color right away. So some of my videos are going to be humbly jumbly because I have someone flying around. He wants to come visit me right now. This one is Aqua. If you see stuff flapping about, he's trying to train his wings to get strong for when his feathers are grown back in. I love all these colors. These colors are gorgeous. He's desperately wanting to go up onto a high perch right now that I can't reach to put him on. He's giving me a nice air-conditioned look right now. If this was regular polish, he would have it dry. He's also wanting to kiss me the whole time I'm talking to you. It is a handful to try to film. Maybe cutting out my talking. It's really a handful to try to film. I don't know why I'm sitting here trying to get it solid in one coat. Making it too thick. Won't allow for good curing. Plus it'll run into my sidewalls. Okay, my next color is Mint Convertible. So yeah, I'm painting my nails with a birdie trying to kiss me and wanting to go play with his friend. We just recently become besties of friends. So I'm not doing a very good job painting my nails because I have a bird on my shoulder that's kissing me. So let me give these a cure real quick before I flood my cuticle. Green Apple Paradise. A little hard for me to read the paradise, especially with a birdie kissing me. I actually had filmed him sitting right here trying to get into my nail stuff, but I accidentally lost the recording. I deleted it. I feel so stupid for deleting it. All you got was a top view of him, but he was being so cute. He loves to touch nail buffers, but I have to make sure that he doesn't get one with product on it. So I'm gonna give this a cure. I'm gonna start with on my right hand or left hand. I'm gonna start with 43 Cream Purple. I'm gonna do 47, Pink Pursuit. This one is Taro Milk. And some of them have QR codes on the side, so it's number 26. I got a little bumpies here because my peel off base coat got touched by a little birdie. And I'm gonna go with 48 Sweet Peach. And if your colors have settled during shipping or storage, just give them a little stir like this. I forget to do that all the time. Then they come out a little streaky. I'm like, what? And then I go back and do it. So my little birdie got a little inquisitive. I picked them up. I wanted to touch my peel off base. So these may not peel off in one easy strip, but they don't always peel off in one easy strip. But now I've got like hunky junky bottom. Definitely got to do 2 coats just because of that. Otherwise I was thinking about getting by with 1 coat since I'm putting glitter on top. Rose Kiss number 44 on my thumb. Look at this color. These would do some exciting things together. One of those pick it up with the brush and do it at one time. I've never done that. I need to try that. A lot of people does that cool little method. Several colors on the brush at once. I've just never done it yet. Cool thing, this one actually reacts different with the UV light, just like a black light. Kind of have a picture, I'll pop it up on the screen. I couldn't really, hand in the lamp trying to do the picture. And remember, these don't have any top coat on them yet. They would look a lot better with top coat. Okay, so here are the 10 colors, and here are the other 4. I already top coated these and put some little embellishments on them. This one is Elsa's Tear, and this one's Angel Wings. I believe I'm going to put Elsa's Tear over each one of these colors on this hand, and I'll do Angel Wings over this color on this hand, and take a picture of that for you. But just so you can kind of see the opposite, this will be Elsa's Tear over each of these colors. It still looks, oh, I like that combination a lot. Not so much, not so much. But Angel Wings I think would look great over any color, look. That would really tie in this whole manicure. But I want you to be able to see it by itself. Look at that. So that's Angel's Wings and Elsa's Tears. These are my favorite of all these in this collection so far. I'm going to apply these to my left hand just so that you can see how it applies, whether it's an easy glitter or a harder glitter to apply, and I can find out for myself. I'll just do 1 nail of each color, I guess I'll do in front of you. It's a very easy glitter to apply. If you want to get more of these little triangles, the hollow triangles, just dig in your bottle like you would with any polish and just apply them and smooth out the clear part back out. Or you can get a little liner brush and just dot them on. But it's really easy to apply, at least with my left hand or my right hand, which is my dominant hand. Seems very easy to apply. Now I'm going to try Elsa's Tear out with my non-dominant hand onto my dominant hand. Yeah, very easy. It just depends on how much of the big triangles you want and how little you want. I would definitely wear this one by itself. This winter remind me to do a manicure with just these. Oh, you might not have to remind me. I'm just gonna, oh. So you can move the little dots around wherever you want them. Just like any glitter. Just move them around how you like. Too much glitter in one spot, just move it around. Elsa's Tears on this hand and Angel Wings on this hand, and take a picture for you. Give these a cure. Top coat them with their shiny top coat. And I'll put the pictures up at the end of the video. I just think that just makes a gorgeousness to this. Easy to do glitter on your nails. Well, thank you everyone for being here with me today. I appreciate it. Every single minute you watch, every comment you leave me, every thumbs up. Make sure you show them thumbs up. If you're new here, please hit subscribe. It's totally free. It always will be free. I don't really like the word subscribe, but welcome to my YouTube family. Thank you those that have already been a part of my YouTube family. I really appreciate you, every single one of you. Bear with me while I'm still training my little birdie. And he's getting used to, you know, coming in here and doing nails or not. Thank you everyone sticking with me through this. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye bye.